Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making peaches and jalapeno chicken. Now, it's supposed to be grilled, but I'm going to modify it for the pan that I have. But for that, you're going to need 4 to 5 chicken thighs, 1/4 a cup of honey, about 4 cloves of garlic, 2 peaches, 2 jalapenos, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon or tablespoon, each, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alrighty, well, you know the drill. Let's do it. First step for me is going to be to put these in my small food processor and just give them a couple taps of the processor so they're not mush, but they're not big pieces anymore. Right, I've got my peaches and jalapenos. Into that I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar that I forgot to mention. But you will need that. The 2 to 3 of soy sauce. And the garlic. Giving that a really good stir together. In the meantime, I've gotten our chicken thighs cooking, and we're going to want to give them a good sear on each side and then turn down our heat. So probably about a good 4 minutes on each side. We will add that mixture. Okay, I've taken the chicken out. I will be adding in the honey. I'm going to let that sauce thicken up a little bit. And once that's thickened up a lot, we will put the chicken thighs back into the sauce. And apparently Thor really likes to help me cook. And it's going to simmer for maybe another 5 or 10 minutes until it's coated. Okay, let's try out our peaches and jalapeno chicken. I've cut a little piece up. Some of the sauce. Okay, I'm going to have to say this is amazing. I can only imagine what it would be like on the grill like it was supposed to be. But this is a good alternative way to do it also. There's a nice sweetness to it, but not overpowering, which I was worried about. And I think my only gripe is that there's not enough heat from the jalapenos, but that's fixable. You just add some more. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, think it looks like a goopy mess that tastes good, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next one.